Empower fails to connect to a bank most often because of outdated login credentials, temporary bank security blocks, or a broken link between your bank and the app's data provider. By the end, you'll know exactly why the connection fails, how to fix it step by step, and what to do if reconnecting still doesn't work. Start with the most common issue. Bank login credentials not matching is the #1 reason connections fail. Even small changes like a password update at your bank can break the link inside Empower. The fix is to go into Empower settings, remove the current bank connection, and reconnect it using your updated bank login details. Now, move to the second issue. Bank security systems sometimes block third-party connections. This happens when your bank flags the login attempt as unusual or requires extra verification. If this happens, log into your bank app directly first and confirm there are no security alerts or verification requests. Then try reconnecting Empower again. Now explain a third common issue. Outdated app versions can also prevent successful bank connections. If the app is not updated, it may fail to communicate properly with your bank system. Updating Empower from the App Store or Google Play often fixes this instantly. Now move into a device-level problem. Weak internet connections can interrupt the linking process before it completes. A stable Wi-Fi connection is usually more reliable than mobile data for bank linking. Now explain what people often miss. Many users try to reconnect without removing the old bank link first. That creates a conflict inside the system and causes repeated failures. Now give a clean step-by-step fix order. First, update the Empower app. Second, log into your bank and check for security alerts. Third, remove the existing bank connection inside Empower. Fourth, reconnect using fresh login credentials. Fifth, use a stable Wi-Fi connection during setup. Now explain the final fallback. If the connection still fails, the issue is usually on the bank's side or a temporary system restriction. Waiting and trying again later often resolves it without further action. Now summarize the key points. Most Empower bank connection issues come from outdated credentials or security blocks. Removing and reconnecting the bank link usually fixes the problem. And stable internet plus updated apps are required for a successful connection. One practical next step. Go into Empower settings and fully remove your bank connection before trying again, because reconnecting over an old broken link is the most common reason it keeps failing. Like and subscribe for clear fixes for finance apps without confusion or wasted steps.